So regenerative farming for me is predominantly about natural capital, and it's about how we and our management impacts on that natural capital. The soil that we're dealing with, the water that we're using, the diversity of vegetation and animals and wildlife that we've got on the farm and the benefit that they might give to us. In the past, we would have seen a pest, we would have seen a disease, and we would have gone to the chemical shed and looked at what are we going to use to control that pest or disease. Whereas my thinking has changed very much now towards what's happening with the plant. So why is the plant vulnerable to these diseases and to these pests? And looking at how we can improve in that. I think regenerative farming's a worthwhile production method because it does protect the resource that you're using to grow the food, and in some cases improve on that resource. And if we're going to be growing fruit on this farm from now until eternity, then we need to know that what we're doing isn't a downward trend and that we're going to lose production from the area. We're seeing in our pack outs from the packing shed that we're getting a much higher first grade percentage of fruit, so there's less blemish on the fruit and less damage. From a consumer demand point of view, we haven't seen an overwhelming demand for our product because we're regenerative. We've seen it because the quality of our produce is good. It's a good balance for us, and I enjoy growing the way we grow. You know, it's just pleasant to be out farming. I enjoy the challenge of trying to cut down my inputs, trying to reduce some things without compromising yield and without compromising our income.